Learn English with us.
English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Us podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Today is day 7 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe because every day we're helping you become a more confident English speaker.
Today's lesson is one of the most important lessons in this challenge. We're going to learn 100 common English words that native speakers use every single day. These aren't difficult words. They are simple, but they're the words you'll hear at school, at work, at the supermarket, on the bus, and in everyday conversations.
We'll explain each word with an easy example. After every group, you'll also have a chance to practice speaking. So don't just listen.
Speak with us. Let's get started. Everyday action and basic words.
Hello, for example, hello, how are you?
Goodbye, for example. Goodbye, see you tomorrow.
Please, for example, please open the door.
Thank you, for example. Thank you for your help.
Sorry, for example, I'm sorry I'm late.
Yes, for example. Yes, I understand.
No, for example, no, I don't know.
Help, for example. Can you help me, please?
Love, for example, I love learning English.
Like, for example, I like this book.
Want, for example, I want a cup of tea.
Need, for example, I need some water.
No, for example, do you know the answer?
Think, for example, I think this is correct.
Understand, for example, I understand the lesson.
Remember, for example, remember to practice every day.
Forget, for example, don't forget your homework.
Start, for example, let's start today's lesson.
Finish, for example, we finish school at 3 p.m.
Try, for example, try to speak English every day.
Excellent. These are some of the most useful English words you'll use every single day.
Let's continue with the next 20 words. Time words.
Today, tomorrow,
Yesterday,
morning,
afternoon,
evening,
night,
now,
later,
always,
usually,
sometimes,
never,
early,
late,
before,
after,
minute,
hour.
day.
Story time. Today I wake up early. In the morning I study English. Later I go to work. At night I read a book. I practice every day.
Home and places words.
House,
Room,
door,
window,
kitchen,
bathroom,
table,
chair,
bed,
car,
bus,
train,
store,
market,
bank,
hospital,
park,
street.
country.
Everyday words.
Good,
Bad,
big,
small,
new,
old,
happy,
sad,
easy,
difficult,
open,
close,
give,
take,
bring,
find,
buy,
sell, pay, ask,
answer,
call,
wait,
stop,
begin,
work,
play,
cook,
clean,
wear,
meet,
visit,
travel,
live,
stay,
watch,
enjoy,
smile,
cry,
angry.
quite, excellent. Today's challenge is simple. Write 10 sentences using today's words. For example, I study English every day. My family lives in America. Please help me. I am happy today. The more you write, the faster you'll remember these words.
Remember, you don't need thousands of words to start speaking English. Just 100 useful words can help you understand and join many everyday conversations.
Learn a few words every day. Read them. Listen to them. Speak them. Practice them. Small steps every day create big results.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, give this video a thumbs up.
Comment below. I learned 100 words today. Subscribe to learn English with us. And we'll see you in day 8 of our 10-day English challenge.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Thanks for watching.
See you in day 8.
Goodbye
and keep practicing.